Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful frontal braided ponytail. Alright, so first by starting, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail, trying to see where I want to lay. I'm also going to take some beeswax to slick up my hair. And I'm going to use a hot comb with the beeswax so that it blends in really well, along with some edge control. Well, a wax stick, I think that's what it's called. See, it's slicking my hair, and I'm using both sides of the hot comb, but really the back of the hot comb, it works better for me. And I'm also going to do the same thing for the sides of my hair, as you can see, the beeswax. And I'm not going to go ham with the beeswax because I'm going to take this out in like a day or two. So it's just something really quick. As you can see how it looks like shiny and sleek. That's where I like my ponytail to lay. Really quick, get the hot comb. I'm hot combing back the baby hairs and the wispies, the flyaways. Put a little water. And I already added some concealer to the lace, so I may go back and add a little bit more. Yeah, I'll leave the description of all the stuff I use. See, I'm just basically going over it. Now I'm gonna see where I want my frontal to lay, see if it's blending well with the concealer that I applied, and I like it. Again, I'm just combing back the wispies. I'm gonna clip it back so that the frontal can be a little secure. And this is what works best for me when it comes down to slicking it back. You know, a little bit of water, hot comb. Cause when I apply the glue, I want to be able to wear the style with baby hair or without. I'm gonna take my Tresemme and Ghost Bold Hold, and I'm going to again begin to apply my layers. I did do 2 layers. I may have did one off camera. Mix it in, let it dry, and this is gonna be like a almost quick video because I don't want it to be a long video, so I'm moving fast. Then I'm going to lay my frontal, and I'm going to press it in with my hands on both sides. Make sure that the ear tabs are comfortable. And this is a reused frontal. I did pluck it myself. If you want a video on how I pluck, let me know in the comments. Definitely give you a plucking tutorial. So now I'm going to use my blow dryer on high heat, and I'm just pressing the back of the comb. I'm doing a mixture of the back and like both sides of the comb, but you really want to just lightly press it or press it. Yeah, there you go. Boom. It's coming together real good. And just keep pressing until it's to my liking. Yeah, and I'm actually getting better at doing frontal ponytails. So now I'm gonna part out some baby hair, and I'm gonna also take, once I part out the baby hair, I'm going to spray some holding spray, the Tresemme holding spray, and then I'm going to use an elastic band and melt the lace. So that's what I'm about to do now. See, holding spray, hot comb, just to make it look good. And voila, this is the secret to the melt, the band. Once you use that holding spray and the band, look how it looks when I take it off. I did let it sit on for about 10 minutes. I'm going to sew in the frontal on both sides. So both sides are sewn down. I did one off camera. So, but yeah, both sides are sewn. And this is how it looks. Put it in a ponytail. And again, this is a quick tutorial. I didn't want it to be prolonged. And look, I had to get more rubber bands. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in a ponytail now. I like where it's laying. I like how flat it looks. I may go over with the comb and some holding spray just for any little imperfections. Yeah, see? And just making sure it's to my liking. And then after this step, we're gonna do the baby hairs. So get the hot comb. This hot comb is the bomb. I love it. I got it from the hair store. Now, oh, and we got to try to blend in the frontal a little bit better. Do some baby hairs. A quick little 1-2. I'm gonna do like 2 swoops. And then for any lace that's lifting, I'm gonna go back in with some hairspray. And for the ear tabs, I'm gonna go in with some glue, some more bold hold, so that can be flawless. And for the baby hairs, there's nothing crazy. It's just 2 swoops. I'm gonna do, yeah, see, 2 swoops. Ear tabs, add some glue. Let that dry. See, add some hair. I added some little bit of glue, but I'm gonna end up using some hairspray. Just a dab. Yes. Do y'all see this coming? Do y'all see how this looks? And on the side, that's a tattoo. It's an old tattoo. Okay. But look at the install. Like, let's get into it. Now I'm gonna attempt to do this braid. The braid. It's like my hands are. I got weird hands when it comes to braiding. Okay. But we're gonna do this braid, so I'm gonna breeze through the braid. I don't have any special technique for the braid, so this is what I do, or what I did. Use the pack hair, and I also did not have enough hair, so I didn't have enough hair. So the ponytail, the braid wasn't as thick as I would have liked it. But again, I mean, 2 days is not gonna hurt, so. Braid it, quick little 1-2. I'm gonna add some more hair. If I'm not mistaken, I think I took this braid out though, and I ended up redoing it off camera. Okay, so this is the first braid. Y'all tell me if y'all see a difference, cause I'm gonna just add a quick clip of the second braid. To me, it wasn't a big difference. And once I've done the braid, I'm going to wrap around that the long piece around my I guess you could say the base, so that it doesn't, I guess, so that you won't see the rubber bands. So see, a little spray, a little holding, got to be glue spray. Wrap, wrap, wrap. And do y'all see how this coming look? Do y'all see that? Okay, you got me messed up. Oh, see? Then I think this is, oh yeah, see, I redid the braid. But look, can't even tell. I realized I didn't turn to show the back of my hair that much, but this is basically how I do my frontal long braid. And yes, I'm excited. This is a quick little video, and I hope you liked it. I hope you like how I slay my frontal. Get into the mother effing look.